Hello all. In this video, we will see a question from GATE CSE exam, which is related with C++ pointers. Okay. So here is the question. We wish to know what is the output of the following C program. Okay. As you can see, we are given three functions: F1, F2, and main. Okay. Now we know that every program begins its execution from main. So what I will do is I will show you a runtime stack. This is the runtime stack. Okay. We know that execution will begin from main. So as soon as the function gets control, when the execution begins from main, a stack frame for main will be pushed onto the stack. Okay, so this is the stack frame for main. What it will contain? It will contain memory for the local variables of main. So A with value 4, B with value 5, and C with value 6. Okay. Then the next statement is we are giving call to function F1. So as soon as control comes to function F1, when you enter within function F1, a stack frame for function F1 is pushed onto the stack. What it would contain? It would contain memory for its parameters and the local variable, right? So it will have memory for A, it will have memory for B, and it will have memory for C. Now, as you can see, what we have passed as a parameter is A and B. So mains A is copied into F1's A. So mains A is 4. So F1's A becomes 4. We simply copy the value. This is call by value. Then mains B, value of mains B is copied into F1's B. So this 5 is copied over here. Okay. Call by value. Now this is a very common code which is for swapping of two variables. C assigns A. Now these statements are part of function F1. So all modifications will take place to F1's A, F1's B, and F1's C. So C assigns A, so C gets 4. Then A assigns B, so A gets 5. And then B assigns C, so B gets value of C, which is 4. And then we exit from the function. Now when you exit from the function, we know that this stack frame will be destroyed. So this stack frame will be destroyed because the function exits, right? And control comes back to main. Now we call function F2. Now here when we call function F2, control will come to function F2. As soon as you enter into function F2, a stack frame for F2 will be pushed onto the stack. Okay. What it will contain? It will contain memory for A, B, and C. So here is memory for A, memory for B, and memory for C. Now as you can see, F2's A, B are pointers. As we are passing, you can see the call, we are passing address of B and address of C. So let us assume that address of B is say 100 and address of C is say 200. Okay. Now we pass these addresses of B and C to these pointers A and B over here. So what is address of B? 100. This is copied over here as F2's A because it is a pointer. So A is containing address of B, which B mains B. Similarly, this B pointer variable B in F2 will hold address of C. Address of C is 200. So F2's B will be 200. Okay, so A and B are pointers. Through these pointers, you can access those variable values of B and C using star operator. Now this is a code. Again, this is a swapping code. What does it say? C assigns star A. C assigns star A. So C assigns star A. What does it mean? C assigns star A. What is A? A is 100, right? A is 100. And what what is star 100? Star 100 means star operator stands for value at address. So value at address 100 is 5. So what are we executing is C assigns 5. Okay. So C gets value 5. Right. Likewise, the next statement is star A assigns star B. So value at address B, value at address contained in B, right? B contains address 200, value at address contained in B is 6. That should be copied into value at address. So this 6 is copied over here. Okay. So this value of C is copied into value of B through this pointer. And finally we have star B assigns C. So star B means value at address contained in 200 should be value of C. Value of C is 5 over here, as you can see in F2. So this 5 is copied into star B, means value at address 200 should be 5. Okay. Exit from the function, right? When you exit from the function, control comes back to main. What are we doing is we are printing the value of C minus A minus B. Now this statement is part of main. So what is mains C? Mains C is 5. What is mains A? Mains A is 4, right? And what is mains B? Mains B is 6. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. So the output of this program would be negative 5. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.